Hi everyone. Well, welcome back. And here we are, all moved in. Well, it's still a work in progress, but we've got a lot accomplished already. So I thought I'd take you on a little tour today. I will apologize in advance for the shakiness because I don't walk very well with the camera in my hand and trying to record. But I think you'll get the idea. Right now I'm sitting in what is considered bedroom 3, which is my office craft room. Behind me, you'll see the back door, and it goes into the kitchen behind that. But we'll see it all on our tour. So I hope you enjoy it. I'll be back in just a minute. Take care. Well, here we are coming in the front door. And this is the living room. Over here on the right, we have the welcome table with my one little perk for Easter, the lantern swag. And I'm just sort of going to pan down a little bit here so as to not get the TV totally in there. And the couch. And the gentleman of the house. And our recliners. And let me just move this way, all the way around. And you can see the pretty storm door that's here. Let me show you a little of the topography. If you can see across the street, see how low those houses are compared to us? But if you look this way, look how high up that church is compared to us. So there's not a flat piece of ground anywhere around. Okay, 1 second. Back to the beginning. In the living room, and the hall in front of us. And I don't walk and talk very well with a camera, so please excuse the shaking. We have a hall closet here, which contains a lot of our cleaning, floor scrubbers and washers and carpet cleaners. This house is totally carpeted, including the bedroom, including the kitchen. Okay, off to my left is the master bedroom. And here is the bathroom. See if I can get a better picture. It's a small bathroom. Hold on, I'm going to get a light on. Okay, now you can see. It's a small bathroom, but I have never been a fan of these great big bathrooms they have nowadays. To me, it's always wasted space. I mean, when I use the bathroom, I use it to clean up or whatever and leave. So, here's one thing that we've had done already. See if I can get you in here. This was a pink bathtub from the 1950s, and it is now a big walk-in shower. Bathroom closet. Back out to the hallway. See the living room. And now I'm the opposite direction. So the left-hand side is the second bedroom here. And that window looks out onto the breezeway. That's why you see things stacked up there. Now, we're still a work in progress here. This is bedroom number 3, which is my craft room office. Walking through, I am at the back door, which leads into the kitchen. Now this dishwasher is, I have no idea how old, but it does a wonderful job washing the dishes. Some pretty cabinets. On this side, I'm backing up here. This is what I call my baking station. It's baking and breakfast and pasta. And I'll show you. And then down in the drawer, baking cups, spoons, mixes, rolling pins, all kinds of good things. On this side, pastas, breakfasts, and some of the snacks. Okay, and around here we have this cute little divider over to where the dining area is. And the stove, of course, is here. Microwave. And over on this side, we have a beverage refrigerator and the coffee bar and bar. And through that doorway, you can see the TV. So this has gone around in a circle and I'm back to the living room. I'm going to show you the porch in just a second. Okay, I'm at the back door, and here you will definitely see a work in progress. But the breezeway goes all the way to the back. And there is a heater out here. We don't have it going at the moment. It's too cold. And that door leads to the garage. Rubbish. Okay, one more area I'm going to show you. Hold on. Okay, across from that door we just went out to the breezeway, directly across you have the stairwell to the basement. Now, I'm not going to attempt to go down the stairs while filming, so I'll meet you down at the bottom. Back in a minute. Okay, I'm at the bottom. And over here is actually bedroom number 4, which currently we're using to store the seasonal decor. And it has a big closet, which is full of wreaths right now. Across the stairwell is a hallway to a storage area. And a second bathroom. One second. There we go. And there's a shower back there. And this room is just lined with closets. All the winter coats are in here, and lots of things will go in them, but they're not in there yet. Over this side, laundry area. And the furnace is over here. Let me back out and shut these lights off. Okay, here we are. We're back in the storage area. And we're going to walk out here. Here's the bottom of the stairs. Bedroom 4. And through the doors is the big room. With the wood stove. And we might possibly have our first fire there tonight. We've had the stove and the chimneys inspected. Everything is good to go. Right now I'm using a card table, the bar, chairs. We have a love seat size couch coming here with 3 tables, so that'll give us plenty of seating room. And this is a room that's still just getting started. But it's really nice. And that is an excellent wood stove. The chimney folks said they don't make them like that anymore. But I bet it hasn't been used in 10 years. That's why we wanted to make sure everything was okay. which it is. And we have a 60-inch TV down here, 55. So plenty of places to watch TV. And I have my games and things down here, because this would be a good place to have a game or set a puzzle up on the card table. Although I have to tell you, we're not puzzle people. Okay, that's about the tour. I'm going back upstairs now, so I'll meet you up there. Just a quick perspective here. These are the stairs, and it's directly across from the back door. Kitchen over here, office over here. So there you go, we're back in the office. Sewing machine, my Cricut. Hope you enjoyed the tour. See you next time. Love ya. Everybody play nice now. Bye-bye.